Hi everybody, I'm Vitaly Petrov and I will show you a quick lap in Moscow Raceway. So here we're approaching the first corner, fourth gear, try to use all the track. Then we have double left corner, very important to stay always inside. Then we have right corner, second gear, hard braking, always locking the front right wheel. Then again double left, very important to working on exit, because after that we have a very long straight. And now we're approaching second and third sectors. It's quite important and very technical. Hard braking on the top, then normal exit, quite bumpy. Then again left corner, second gear, very short straight. Then left corner again, third gear, then change the direction to the right. Third gear again, then we have short straight, then again braking, left corner, second gear, then we have quite short straight again, and then we have quick, not quick as, but it's around second gear, third. Very important to working on exit on second corner, because after that we have very long straight, where it will be a lot of overtaking with using DRS. So if somebody bought the tickets on the last corner, you will see a lot of overtaking there. Sixth gear, very hard braking to the second, and then you try to use all the track. And this was my quick lap in Moscow Raceway.